first thing to do when we drive a special nice coupe and car after all is putting a nice leather gloves. And you can buy these gloves in the link below. I will leave you a link. They're really a nice one, no matter they are Chinese, they're really a good one. So they smell really nice. It's a real leather, so it's a gold skin, they say. They're really comfortable and they really empower your experience driving your car. Look at this, just looks proper, holding with that hand that beautiful shifter. Okay guys, first gear, I hope you see well. If you don't, sorry guys, I wasted my time. Okay guys, let's go. Of course, turn the GTC and all other stuff off, because we need a pure engine power and pleasure of the drivetrain. Okay guys, this is a city POV. Let's we go. It's a Sunday today, so beautiful day to drive a nice coupe in the city. I love manual guys, just BMW manual is all that you have dreamed of. This A3 is maybe 2-liter TDI and has cracked head and it's burning antifreeze like mine was. However, we are in BMW and don't have such shitty problems of VAC group. We have some parking sensor here and some auto off, start stop off. Feeling comfortable no matter when in the city. But yeah, when you sit in that car you don't want to stand out. So it's not a car for bringing pizza. Yeah, it's definitely not such car. It's a car when you get up inside and drive for at least 5-10 kilometers, because you want to do it. You want to sit here, you want to be inside. It's just yeah, pretty decent acceleration. Some BMW also engaged, but I was pushing over the pedal, so sorry guy, I was not racing. Well, with 2-liter diesel actually you have power economy, but you don't have the power to engage in different races, because you're in a so nice sports coupe, and after that, after all, you're not having enough power to actually engage in such races, because your probability of win will be really low. here is my X5. Nice roundabout. Audi will always ruin the things. So we're just rounding about and it starts losing grip. Yeah, like a proper BMW. Very nice balance of the car indeed. Nice pull. That guy is just idiot. Another idiot. Well, maybe this Coupe is too low to the ground, so they actually don't see it, and I don't know what's the other reason. It has the nervosity of BMW, but it just doesn't go too high in the power, and that's something that so direct. You know what the car will do. It's so balanced. Actually, you are not wondering, well, will it drift, will it understeer? Well, it actually tells you before she do any of that. So really a driver's car. There is no issue with the transferring of the body weight. So what a car, guys. And we will continue testing it on my really nice curvy track road, which I called Little Nürburgring near home. And guys, we're heading there, so stay tuned in our video to see it. But there is still some drive here, guys, so here it's very dangerous to be in that lane because cars can pop out. So I'm not sitting there for a long time. So far, guys, with some highway already done and some city without too much traffic, I am near 9, but I drive like an idiot, of course. I'm not driving for fuel economy. Well, imagine that car 35i with 306 horsepower and being tuned to 400 very easily with the stock hardware, pretty much. Some down pipes, of course, and charge pipes, but pretty easy to tune it. And actually, imagine having 500 horsepower on the stock turbos is possible with some AMHG and flashes and some charge pipes, intercooler. Of course, there are a lot of parts which fits perfectly directly on that cars with 35 engine, so we can really have a 500 configuration horsepower, pretty reliable, because that engine 35 I can go really high in numbers, and we'll have a pretty much a race car spec, guys. 500, imagine 500 horsepower, and that Coupe will be really a blast, Ferrari like to drive. Always leave the ambulances to go. You're saving someone's life, maybe. Okay. Okay guys, I really enjoyed driving that car, no matter in the city or highway. But if you want to see the culmination point of driving it, stay in our other video, subscribe to us, put the notification on, that bell, smash that bell and subscribe to us, so that you receive notification of the new video we upload, so that you can actually don't miss anything. And the curvy road will be one of the best videos, I think, with that car, because that car is made for a curvy road. And I'll share you my thoughts of driving, of POV driving, and I can make some passenger POV driving, so that you can watch different points, so you can decide and feel like you are there. That's all about these POVs, guys. Feeling like you're acting, you're interacting with the car. So thanks very much, guys. See you in the next video. Put the like if you like.